What it do, like new family? Welcome back to another video. So I could give you a laundry list of reasons why I haven't been here for about 10-11 months. I could give you a 3-hour video on there, but instead, long story short, they were vandalizing the apartment. I PC crashed, lost all of my raw footage. A lot of what you get to see in this video today, I was able to salvage some, so I'm gonna show you what we got, bring you up to speed. Okay. I told you I was gonna show y'all them, so I'm gonna try to get some good before footage of all of them, but this behemoth of a tree has to go. So we about to dice him down, load him up. This apartment didn't look like this when I first got it. I'll have to show y'all in a minute, but the assholes moving out of here caught us a fire when they left. I guess they thought I was gonna rent their raggedy ass room out to somebody else. This is the 1-bedroom and this is the layout, and they said they all resemble. So you'll come in as a small living area, and then right off the bat, kitchen, back door, kitchen, and then when you come back in, there goes bedroom one, the 1-bedroom, and then the bath, window, bath, setup, and they said all of the ones on the left and the right that are 1-bedrooms resemble this. Entry of the 2-bedroom, you walk in, and then you have the kitchen to the back, and then outside of the kitchen there is a backyard for all of the units here in the back. That's a little backyard. When you come back in, you got to the left, got a little living area, room type place here, bathroom, and then off the bathroom you've got another one. You've got this room, and then you've got a doorway there to a room. This looks like it could have been a room. Hallway. And bingo. This is one, and they said this one over here looks the same to it, and these are in the back, the 2-bedroom. At the apartment, I was supposed to get some footage beforehand. It was all trash, but weed eating some. Look at the jungle, the mighty jungle. Knocking it down. We're gonna get the whole yard alley cleaned up, chopped down, get all this trash out, make it look good one time for the non-owners and owners around here. So we're gonna do our part, help out. But this is what it kind of looked like back here. I didn't get to get some of the inside. The boys have actually already cleaned out the apartment, but I'll still show you what's needed to see. All right, so I'm here. I told you I'd take you through a walkthrough. I kind of showed you some of the before. We've cleaned up a lot, took the tree down, and actually taken about 2 or 3 trailer loads to the dump. But here's unit 1 when you come in, kind of what's left after clean out. Living room, kitchen, bedroom. Probably what's left of a bathroom. Well, a lot of structure gonna have to get done. Closet. That's unit 1. So this is a 1-bedroom unit. Most of these all on this side. Whew, sorry, I had my shirt over. Stinks in there. Most of these are all that same layout. Show you another one. This is room 2. Boom. I'm not sure what this is, but you got that. Then you got the kitchen. Then you have a bathroom, a room, closet. Looks like that was locking out that other side. Then you come back outside. The third one, kind of see, change it a little bit. Smells delicious in here. You could only smell it, vision it. Oh. Some not as bad as others. Others terrible as heck, but we're not going in there. That's the bathroom. and I think it's been being used. Huh? All right, you get it. So we're gonna clean it out. We're gonna finish trashing this thing out, and then we're gonna gut this thing. Do a full gut on this thing. We already been in that one. This is the burnt one. They caught a fire on their way out. Take a look at it. The other side later. All right, welcome back. So, didn't record the process or anything, didn't have a tripod. My uncle rented this skid steer, and since he got it on Friday, he used it Friday and Saturday morning, which is today. So he had it parked at the house because he doesn't return until Monday. So I put it to work. I flattened out the house over there, the old golf house in the backyard. Then I brought it over here and took out the little building in the middle, crunched it all up. I'm gonna bring the trailer and have the boys load all of that up. Then we'll get a stump grinder, grind out that stunt. This will be the parking lot for the new building once we finish it. But yeah, some progress. Today, we are at the apartment. Been here since probably like 11. We loaded up that building. So the one we told it, this is the second load of it. I'm gonna go dump it, come back, get the rest. Demo. It was only about 185, 195 square foot, so they told me we didn't need a permit to demo it. If it was less than 200, we just had to tear it down and haul it off. So we're doing that. Then we'll get the rest of the building stripped when we actually get ready for demo. But ties it, bossed. Me and two of my boys. Apparently the owner of the property across the street at 2nd and Monroe, someone has came through and rented a excavator or something to clean with, and they cleaned out their entire property and they dumped it right here along the curb of my property line. I didn't have anything to do with it, but I'm making video. I just came by to check, and you can see the tire marks across the street where the machine was running from here to here and dumping it over, so you can see definitely. And then also as I came inside, because we've actually spent thousands of dollars cleaning up the actual insides and outside, just trashing out, because of course we can't do any demo, so we trashed it out. And they're bringing their trash and they're setting their trash right here in the middle of the apartment complex as well. So I want to put that on video so that I have evidence. But yeah, so the owner of the property right across the street from apartment complex, down at the apartment complex, it has got cleaned up a little bit, but you can kind of see the piles. They came through and trashed the place, and then they got all this. They burnt up both of my units in the back. That one got burnt about 3 weeks ago. This one got burnt about 3 days ago from current. And yeah, they kicked all the units and kind of took what they wanted, left the rest. I had a guy sweep all this trash into piles. Bringing the trailer tomorrow, and we'll collect all of that along with the junk and get it out of here. Entering apartment 1 from the left side, this is the layout. So as you come in, you've got the living room here. And back there is the kitchen. Here to the right is the bedroom when you come in. You'll come in, here to the right is bedroom number 1. And then after bedroom 1, you'll go in here. Closet, bathroom is here. Bathroom goes to the back of the kitchen. And then as we circle back out, going in the same motion, you then come in, you got the kitchen. And then here to the right, you have the water heater closet, the sink, the back door, back window, and then the rest of the kitchen. and that makes up apartment unit number 1. Coming in on the left is the exact same, except it's been flipped. So now as you come in, you've got the living room here. Still have a closet, have the kitchen back there, but now to your left, as you come in, you have bedroom 1 here on the left. You'll have closet to bedroom 1, and then you've got bathroom to this bedroom that comes right off of the back side of the bathroom on the other one. That's the old bathroom. This is the new bathroom here. And then as you come back out, you'll make a little left, and then here's the kitchen. And you got the kitchen basically with the exact same layout. Kitchen's there, back door is there. Ding, ding, bang, bam. And then there's the rest of that. Then coming out, this is gonna be door number 3 coming from the front on the left. It's a little different. We're gonna have to fix it. So when you come in here, still got the living room, got the closet, you still have the kitchen. They're all pretty much similar in size. Kitchen goes the same exact way. But then when you come in, they took the bedrooms that we gotta reconvert. So now you'll come in, this will be the bathroom here on the left. And then you have the bedroom when you come through will be right here on the right. Here, and then we'll make this the closet for the bedroom, and we'll put a wall up here, dividing the 2 units, and then that'll make out this third one, which all of these will be 1 bedrooms on both sides. And this is the 4th door coming up of the 6 doors on the left side building. And when you come in here, now you have the living room, still the same. And then you'll pass back through here, you got the kitchen. Just like we said, still the same. Now here goes the kitchen. And then here's the hallway. As you come through the hallway, that'll be a wall. Remember, that's the closet to the other one. Here goes 1 room here. Boom. We'll build a closet for it as well, which will probably come into this hallway. We'll probably put a wall right here and then make this closet for this room. That'll be closet for that room. This will be bedroom space, bathroom space here. So now you have bathroom, and then that will keep from taking away from this bedroom, and it'll keep a dead ass zone out the end of the closet. So we'll do that. And then bathroom, when you come here, you got the bathroom. Then you come back out to the main area. This will be the living room. And again, this will still be the kitchen. And then you'll walk out of the door here. So coming in, so the next door here, it's the same, almost flipped back living room. And then this will be the bedroom. Again, the closet. Again, the bathroom to the bedroom. Then you have the kitchen, and then this one we have a weird little room here. Not sure if it has to be kept because I don't know what the roof structurally looks like till we get the drywall down. I would definitely like to open this up a little bit unless that has to be kept, but if not, then here's the kitchen again, and then you come out, it's just another little small 1 bedroom. Both side buildings will be exactly the same, just a mirrored image. This is the back one coming from the wall, so as you walk in this room, you have living room here. Still have the closet. Now you got the kitchen over here. Same setup as all of them. Then you'll come back in here, you got the apartment room, and you got the bathroom over in here, along with the closet there, wall there, and then this makes out room number 6.
That's like saying I left the hood, bitch. And time fly, but I never let my grind die. Yeah, I get high, but I never let my mind die. Yeah, let's get high, roll a sweet up body. Cause I told you that I'ma be somebody. Remember I used to say, one day I'm gonna be somebody.
And so just like that, we're back. So the plans have changed, but not much on the apartment complex. I had always originally planned on stripping it all the way back to the studs, new insulation, new drywall, new paint, new flooring. That was always the game plan. However, the back building that you've seen that did get burnt up, that building's gonna just get demoed. We'll keep the lot, and we do have plans to build in the future. One other thing that I didn't mention earlier was one of the funding with one of our lenders had fell through, so that slowed up the process dramatically. And then after losing all the footage on not only this home, but I lost footage on the golf home, and not able to keep the consistent schedule that I had in my brain already, it just kind of not motivated me to do anything. But the golf house was actually probably rented out maybe 2 or 3 weeks after that last video was shot. So it rented out for about a year. It's completely done. I will get an updated video on that, let you see what it looks like. We're still working on the apartment. The surveys as of current haven't made it yet. They should be in either today or tomorrow or Friday actually. And once we get those, we'll get the pull permit. Then we'll start the demoing of the burnt down building. We'll strip all the building and get ready to remodel them. But that's where we're at currently. So smash the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned with the progress. I'll get a video out real shortly updating you on the golf house, and then we'll get started on the apartment complex.
Same must come see somebody, cause I told you that I'ma be somebody. Remember I used to say, this song right here, this song for anybody, somebody. Told you you can't be nobody. Remember I used to say, Trayo.